Hello everyone, my name is Lung. Welcome to our group project. In this collaboration, we aim to combine our individual strengths and ideas to explore and solve some problem. Our goal is to not only achieve a successful outcome, but also to learn from one another perspective and empathize along the way. We will be working together through research, planning, and execution to create a project that is both insightful and impactful. Each member brings unique skill to the table, and we are excited to share our progress and research with you as we move forward. Let's dive in. The first thing you think about our project is what, why, and how is it? For the first question, what is it? It's an acrylic pick and place robot. It have a shape of it's a robot that have a shape of a spider that can pick and place and serve crucial role across multiple fields, and from healthcare to manufacturing or exploring place, addressing both practical need and human limitation. Well, as you can see, when we try to explore space, underwater or narrow cave, for human physics, can we cannot handle this environment because its temperature and pressure are too much for human can handle. So we aim to create a robot that can support humanity to explore some environment like this, like the deep sea, the narrow cave, and outer space. Besides that, it's also help with people with mobility issues or disability maintenance and independence, reducing risks of injury from heavy lifting or repetitive motions. That tackle challenges and exploring different terrain, like physical limitation I said before, or just simply to pick up things when you're lazy. For the net is how it works. Well, we use some gripping mechanism, and it's designed like an arm with a gripper to pick up object. Where we also analyze the force that it could use to grip, and there are some risks like is unable to grab certain type of object, and it can cause some damage to the object. For the countermeasure, we also have some gripping tests to several objects. Not only that, it can also travel through distance. Like it has four-leg design and enjoy flexibility. We also have a quadruple locomotion study, and there are some risks like it can lose balance on uneven terrains. There are some countermeasures we also test in various terrains to enhance locomotion. We use 3D model and apply mechanical engineering like using mechanics and also electrical engineering. We have some group members have knowledge of circuit and power system. It has many functionality like daily existence, fetching object, cleaning, organizing. It can handle extreme environment operation, functioning in harsh conditions such as extreme heat or cold, and contaminated zone, sterile environments, and inaccessible areas. It also have manufacturing support like a sitting in assembly line, inspection, material handling, and other tasks to boost productivity and lower operational costs. It has two main parts. It has a four-leg body and a quadruped locomotion to move to enhance stability and ability to traverse uneven or vertical surface. It has a robot arm and be able to grip and lift different objects. There are some advantage that it have, like multi-purpose, combine household, industrial, and environmental application to one platform. It's really efficient too. It can speed up operation while reducing human labor in hazardous monotonous tasks. Talk about stability. It has self-balance system, redundancy in system, and a shock resistance. Oh, talk about innovation. It had bio-inspired design, like mimic a natural spider locomotion for unmatched mobility in challenging terrains. It had multi-environmental compatibility and scalable platform. There are a lot of robots in right nowadays, like robot to help you dive in the deep sea and traveling on Mars. Yeah, NASA has been using those robots a while ago, but our product is have offer mobility and ability to operate in dynamic and uncontrollable environment, including uneven and hazardous terrains. It can move to multiple workstation or sites, making more flexible compared to industrial robot. As for compared to autonomous cleaning robot like Roomba, it have combined with cleaning with object handling and complex task execution, such as organizing or repairing, and function in industrial and hazardous setting, not just home. Well, compared to Tesla Optimus, the humanoid robot, it has greater stability because it has multi-leg design, ensure balanced operation on uneven or slippery surface, and it has specialized design focused on specific industry like manufacturing and hazardous environmental industry rather than just general purpose human-centric design. Our pres- our expectation is that our robot can assist with daily tasks. It can work in type of extreme environment and can be used in manufacturing to improve productivity and reduce operational costs. As for the development, we enhance the locomotion for traveling on unlimited territories. Consider material to prevent robot from deformation and working on robot arm to increase the weight capacity and the probability to successfully pick up any object. Well, that's our presentation. Thank you for listening.